Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. IAS 34 on interim financial reporting. Whenever we are talking about corporate reporting, we must talk about interim financial reporting under IAS 34. And at this stage of our career, one thing is certain, that we must prepare ourselves in readiness for the dynamics of this our business world. And when we are talking about the dynamics of the business world, the generic purpose financial statements are not enough. They are not sufficient. So it is important for us to be able to prepare interim financial statements, and that is why we need to look at it now. And when we are talking about it, we must look at and understand the scope of IAS 34, especially as it relates to the frequency of interim financial statement preparation. We must look at the forms and content of the financial statements. We must look at the use of the estimate in interim financial statement. And when we're talking of forms and content, we are talking about forms and content of the interim financial statement. We must look at the content of listed companies interim financial statements. What and what must it contain? Must look at it. Don't forget that when we're talking about content of listed company, it's regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission of every nation and also the stock exchange. So we must comply with those agencies and also comply with IAS 34. Also, we must understand the period for which interim financial statements must be prepared and presented. And we are going to do this with examples, because even in preparation for our exams, it can come out in form of us being asked to prepare interim financial statements. So we are going to show us how it should look like and the content when we are preparing it for the exam. Then we look at the content of listed companies interim financial statement, and also the content of the publicly owned organizations interim financial statements. And these companies may look alike or sound alike, but they are actually different. A listed organization may be limited liability company but has gone public, that is, as some of its share being owned by the public. But when we're talking about the content of public organization, we're talking about state-owned organization, the PLC of this world. So we had loved that you subscribe so that you can receive timely notification as we release this video today. GJAMES Associates, we are value to life, we are value to your business.